about the layers of internet, and also I am hungry, so I ordered myself a sandwich. Do you want to have one?
No, I'm good. Okay, since you're reading about the layers of internet, can you please tell us a little bit about what it actually is?
Sure, absolutely. Imagine the internet as a delicious sandwich with different layers of ingredients that work together to give you the most amazing experience of being connected to the world.
Okay.
How would I break it down for you?
Oh, it would be great.
Number one is the physical layer. Just like a sandwich starts with the bread, the internet starts with the physical layer. This layer is all about cables, fiber optic lines, and satellite dishes that connect us to the internet. These are like the highways and roads for data to travel on. Next comes the data link layer. Now imagine spreading butter on the bread. This is similar to the data link layer. The data link layer is like the butter, making sure that the data packets are correctly sent and received. It ensures that the data doesn't get mixed up or gets lost. Next up is the network layer. Just like adding a slice of cheese to a sandwich. Oh my god, that's my favorite part. The network layer deals with the addressing of data. It assigns a unique address, also known as IP address, to the devices so that data knows where to go. Like telling a sandwich where the cheese goes. The transport layer. A sandwich wouldn't be complete without some delicious meat. Similarly, the transport layer is essential. The transport layer ensures that the data is delivered reliably using protocols like TCP or quickly with UDP. Finally, we reach the application layer, which is like adding all the tasty toppings to our sandwich. My favorite is tomatoes. The application layer includes all the software and services we use on the internet, like browsers, apps, websites, and email clients. It's what we interact with to access and to enjoy the internet. So there you have it. The internet explained in simple terms with layers just like a sandwich. Each layer plays a crucial role in ensuring that our online experiences are fast, reliable, and enjoyable. The next time you use the internet, remember the layers that make it all possible.
The number of layers is sometimes referred to as 5 or 4. In this video, we have discussed the 5 layers of TCP/IP model. The physical layer and data link layer are referred to as one single layer in the 4-layer reference.
For more such informational videos, stay tuned and follow Good Alien Technologies. Bye.